How to tell your cat, no, in a way they understand. Say no without the meow. Why saying no to cats is different. Cats don't respond to reprimands as dogs do. Unlike canines, who are eager to please, felines are independent and may see commands as mere sounds unless they hold significance. Cats can grasp when certain actions yield unfavorable outcomes, making it possible to teach boundaries. How cats perceive communication. Cats communicate through body language, vocal cues, and sense, relying on these signals rather than understanding human language. Their perception is sensory-driven, meaning they respond better to tone and nonverbal cues than the words themselves. When addressing unwanted behaviors, choosing methods that speak to their instincts will be more successful. Methods to tell your cat, no. 1. Body language. Cats are keen observers of body language, especially sudden movements. For instance, a swift, firm hand gesture, such as an open palm moving towards them, can be associated with stop if repeated consistently. This clear, visible cue mimics how cats use body posture to communicate with each other. 2. Consistent tone. Cats respond to tone changes. Using a sharp, firm voice without shouting helps convey urgency or disapproval. For instance, saying a firm no while maintaining eye contact may convey the message more effectively. Use the same tone each time for consistency, as varied tones might confuse your cat. 3. Distraction techniques. Rather than reprimanding, diverting your cat's attention can yield better results. Offer a toy or a more appealing spot to scratch if they are engaging with furniture, for instance. The key is providing alternatives that cater to their natural instincts. For example, if your cat loves climbing, try offering a scratching post or cat tree nearby. 4. Removing triggers. Cats tend to explore things they find stimulating. Minimizing access to objects or areas they tend to disrupt can help you manage their behavior. Use covers on furniture or barriers around houseplants, or consider a secure spot for valuables. Reducing their temptation minimizes the need for constant corrections. 5. Creating safe spaces. Cats often act out when they feel anxious or overstimulated. Ensuring they have safe spaces to retreat, like a cozy corner, blanket, or cat bed, can help reduce undesirable behaviors. This approach supports their need for personal space and lowers stress, making your attempts to teach boundaries more successful. Things to avoid when correcting behavior. Never use physical punishment. Physical punishment or yelling can lead to fear-based responses, which may cause your cat to become withdrawn or even aggressive. Avoid prolonged isolation. While brief time-outs in a closed room can help, prolonged isolation can lead to increased anxiety in cats. Don't encourage mixed messages. If you let your cat scratch a particular spot sometimes but not always, they may ignore your no commands entirely. Can I use a spray bottle to discourage behavior? Using a spray bottle may stop a behavior momentarily, but it can also cause fear or distrust. Cats often respond better to redirection than to aversive methods. What if my cat ignores my attempts at saying no? If your cat ignores your efforts, you may need to increase the consistency of your approach. Try combining verbal cues with redirection tactics to reinforce the desired behavior. How long does it take for cats to learn boundaries? Each cat is unique, and some may take longer to adapt. Be patient and continue using consistent cues. Most cats respond to repeated, clear signals within a few weeks. Why does my cat do something even after I say no? Cats are naturally curious and may be drawn to certain actions repeatedly. Reinforcing boundaries consistently is essential. They are likely testing to see if the no is firm. Setting boundaries with your cat requires patience, consistency, and a bit of creativity. By understanding how cats communicate and tailoring your approach, you can effectively discourage unwanted behaviors without causing stress or fear. Remember, every cat is different. Stay consistent, and you'll foster a positive and respectful relationship with your feline friend.